Hi everyone, today I'm going to add a KD key to 2023 Hyundai Elantra. Okay, there is original key and my KD key. The first step, we need to generate the corresponding remote program, remote function. Smart key remote, search Elantra. Okay, this one. Okay, generate. Okay, generate successfully. Next step, we need to obtain the password of the car from third party. Already obtained. The password is 4246A5. Okay. So next step, I'm going to program the KD key. More programming. Select from model, import models, Elantra, smart key, type 1, start execution. The OBD connected, okay? All smart keys need to be matching. Confirm. Press the start button once, press OK. OK. The pin code is 4246A5. 4246A5. Confirm. Turn off the ignition switch. Okay. Confirm. After clicking OK, press the start button of the key to be matching within 5 seconds and release it, and keep the key on the start button for 5 seconds. Okay. Program the original key. Confirm. Okay. Matching successful. Next key. KD key. Yes. Confirm. Okay, matching successful. No need. Please edit the entire system. Check whether the smart keys matches successfully. Okay. Return. Okay. Check the remote function. Okay, working. Start the vehicle. Okay, successfully.